Welcome to our discussion on the value disciplines of Treacy and Wiersema. Let's dive in. The value disciplines are operational excellence, customer intimacy, and product leadership. Understanding these disciplines is crucial to achieving competitive advantage. For example, Walmart is known for operational excellence, providing low-cost products and efficient supply chain management. Whereas, Apple is known for product leadership, providing innovative and high-quality products. Finally, customer intimacy is exemplified by companies like Amazon, who provide personalized experiences and exceptional customer service. In conclusion, understanding the value disciplines can help businesses identify their strengths and differentiate themselves from competitors. Thanks for watching.